Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the most common causes, a loose shaft and unaligned flights. First, feel the shaft-to-barrel connection and tighten or swap in a snug replacement. Loose shafts cause end spin. Once done, align the flights so trailing edges form a straight plane. Small misalignments create rotation. Also check balance. Hold the dart near its midpoint and feel for a heavy end. Shifting small weights or changing shaft length stops yaw and reduces spin. Next, you stabilize the dart in flight by adjusting drag and balance. Use slightly larger or heavier flights, or switch to a 1/2 length shaft to increase rear surface area. More drag resists spin. If the dart still rotates, add a small tape weight near the barrel to move the center of mass forward, which reduces end-over-end motion. Make sure flights are intact. Even small tears produce asymmetric airflow that causes spinning, so replace damaged flights promptly. Finish by testing and iterating. Throw 10 focus shots and watch the path and where darts stick on the board. You want consistent, straight entries. If you still see spin, change to stiffer shafts or a different flight shape to alter airflow and rigidity. Once you isolate the problem, if only one dart spins, swap its components with a non-spinning dart to find the culprit. If problems continue, clean threads and use a tiny drop of clear adhesive. That cures persistent looseness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.